Motion Mania by Anna and Jenny. For our project, we decided to do an egg drop to show examples of motion. We had read this article that talked about raindrops breaking the speed limit, and in this article it talked about bigger raindrops being able to fall faster than smaller raindrops. So to test this theory out, we did a test. So do bigger objects fall faster than smaller objects? We did a project, and the materials we used were eggs, a small box, a big box, bubble wrap, meter sticks, small lightweight ball, a big lightweight ball, a timer, and a camera. So we used these two balls. They were both lightweight and rubber balls, and we threw them from stairs to see if the bigger one would fall faster than the smaller one. So here, when we threw the balls, you can see that the bigger one is higher than the smaller one, so that can show that it fell faster than the smaller one and it bounced up for it. Here and now you can see the displacement because it went down and then it went back up. So distance versus displacement. Distance is the measurement of length in between 2 points. The distance here was 14 feet and 3 inches. The displacement is the overall change in position. And in the displacement, the big ball was 40 inches, the small ball was 37 inches. Here is an example of displacement. Say the car goes from A to B, that's distance. If the car goes from A to B and then goes back and drives an additional 50 meters, the displacement would be 50 meters. Frame of reference is judgments that can be made based on your point of view. So our frame of reference in our project was when we threw the balls from the stairs. So when we threw them from above, the person on top saw the balls as being fairly close to the ground, but here you can see that they were actually really high when they bounced back up. Here is another example of frame of reference. There are two people opposite sides from each other, so their point of view on left and right are very different. So now for the egg drop. In the egg drop experiment, we used two boxes and they both had bubble wrap inside with one egg inside. So here we threw the boxes down from the flight of stairs. So how fast did the boxes fall? So now with the formulas. To find the average speed formula, we took the total distance divided by the total time. So for us, it was 171 inches divided by 1.37 seconds, and we got 124.8 inches per second. So to find the velocity formula, you take the distance divided by time. It's basically the same thing as average speed, except velocity has a direction, and in which case for the average speed formula doesn't, and our direction in this case was south. To find the acceleration, we took the change in velocity and the total time. So for us it was 1.37 divided by 1.37 seconds, which equaled out to 1 inch per second squared. And acceleration is the rate at which velocity changes.